a mi canal. Soy Shopni. Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Shopni. So today I am going to tell you the numbers from 31 to 50 in Spanish. So as you all know, I have already made a video on. I have made two videos. First one on 1 to 9 in numbers in Spanish and 10 to 30 in Spanish. So the video links will be given in the description box. So let's get started. Before we get started, I have only one request. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and also like my videos. So now let's start our lesson. As I told you, today we are going to learn numbers from 31 to 50 in Spanish. First of all, numbers is called numerous. Numerous in Spanish. Okay? So let's move on. 31, 31, 31, 32, 32, 32, 33, 33, 33, 34, 34, 34, 35, 35, 35, 36, 36, 36, 37, 37, 37, 38, 38, 38, 39, 39, 39, 40, 40, 40, 41, 41, 41, 42, 42, 42, 43, 43, 43, 44, 44, 44, 45, 45, 45, 46, 46, 46, 37, sorry guys, 47, 47, 47, 48, 48, 48, 49, 49, 49, 50, 50, 50. So now let us recapitulate the things we learned till now. 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40, 40. Its pronunciation is a little tough. You just hear and try to pronounce with me. 40, 40. So now let's recapitulate from 41 to 50. 41, 41, 42, 42. 43, 43. 44, 44. 45, 45. 46, 46. 47, 47. 48, 48. 49, 49. 50, 50. 50. So guys, that was all from this video. Hope you liked it and it was useful to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also stay tuned. Bye. Adios.